Hi guys, this is Don Villeza. I'd like to welcome you to our first official YouTube video. AV Moto started in 2012. That was when I bought my first scooter, Yamaha Mio Soul i115. Nagkaroon ako ng club doon. So with clubs, alam naman ng lahat na isa tong channel where we can share our knowledge. Nagkaroon din ako ng opportunity na gumawa ng motor. Apparently, nagustuhan nila yung ginagawa ko. So from that point, hindi lang Soul i115 yung ginawa ko. Even after nilang magpalit ng motor, sila pa rin yung mga customers ko. So sila yung mga nagsusupport sa akin, even their other friends and relatives. I was an IT manager for 15 years, but yung paggagawa ng motor was a hobby since 2006. Yung hobby na yun naging addiction pagdating sa accessories ng motor, pagbubunting-ting ng motor, especially yung pagra-ride. And at this time, naging lifestyle na siya and passion. AV Moto wasn't really planned nor expected. And then it all started with a bad experience. Nagpagawa lang ako nung first motorcycle ko, hindi ko nagustuhan yung outcome. So I researched kung sino ba yung magaling gumawa. And then I met this guy, Francis Natividad, also known as Modular Overrev from Motorcycle Philippines Forum. Na-inspire ako na mag-DIY kasi nakita ko kung paano siya gumawa. Malinis, maayos, ang gaganda ng tools and quality yung materials. Nag-research na lang din ako para doon sa mga DIY ko on the internet. Naintindihan ko na every work, meron palang science behind, merong engineering behind, and industry standards. So, pag nagagawa ako ng motor ko, we ensure na maganda ang materials, tama ang tools, backed up by science, and within standard lahat ng procedure. AV Moto is composed of fathers and sons.
Hi guys, I'm Nolan. I sort all the tools for AV Moto.
Hi, I'm Max. I'm 12 years old and I'm a tuner and a mechanic.
Hi, I'm Daddy Celso, Quality Control. Sinisigurado kong kalidad ang gawa dito sa AV Moto.
Hello, my name is Nigel. I manage all the tools at the garage.
Ang mission and vision namin sa AV Moto is to share some knowledge, promote safe riding, and to set an example for excellent services. So asahan nyo na magbibigay kami ng mga DIY tips para matulungan kayo na magawa nyo yung motor nyo ng tama at maayos. Gusto rin namin mag-share ng mga riding skills para mas ma-enjoy nyo yung pagmumotor safely. And pwede rin nating i-discuss anything under the sun, mga rides, trips, accessories ng motor, especially yung mga safe accessories at saka yung mga modifications na nakakasira ng motor natin and nakakaapekto sa safety.
Thank you for choosing AV Moto.
Please follow us on Facebook and YouTube.
Please comment and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe.